Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Printify to sell t-shirts online through Shopify. The first thing you want to do is create a Shopify account. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started on for completely free. So you're going to tap on that link and you're going to be redirected to a page just like this. From there, you're going to tap on Start Free Trial and you can sign up using your email address. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to a page just like this and you're going to tap on I don't want help setting up. And you'll be redirected to a new page and I'll tap on skip, I'll decide later, or you can choose to use their basic plan. We'll tap on skip, I'll decide later. After doing that, all I want you to do now, once you're on your Shopify page, you can open a new tab and you could type in printify.com. After doing that, you will be redirected to a page just like this and you're going to tap on Get Started for free. Once on your Printify dashboard, you're going to go over to the top left hand column right where you see Closed Store on my screen, and you're going to tap right there and you're going to tap on Add a New Store. Once you have done that, you're going to select Shopify and you're going to paste in your Shopify store URL. To get your URL, you'll tap on Online Store, view your online store from the left hand column, and you're going to copy your URL. After doing that, you'll paste it in right here, then tap on Connect. After selecting Connect, you're going to tap on Install. Then you'll be redirected to the Printify dashboard. Once on the Printify dashboard, as you can see right here, you will tap on Continue As, and then you'll just sign in. Once you're signed in, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Open Full Site. So we're going to tap on Open Full Site in the top right hand column, and we're going to select My Store. After selecting My Store, you'll be redirected to your new store, and you want to select Close Store, and we're going to select Shopify. Then we're going to be adding our products. So we'll select Catalog from the left hand menu option and select T-shirts. Then you can select the type of T-shirt that you would like to add it on, or if you have a particular design in mind. For example, let's say you would like to add your design over your pocket, above pocket, or all over print, or back and front. You can select that, as you can see right there. You can also choose express delivery, meaning that these t-shirts will be delivered faster to customers, or you can select their best seller. After selecting an option, you're going to tap on Start Designing. Then you can go over to the top left hand corner and select Upload, then select My Device, and you can choose your design. Let's say, for example, the design that I want to have is this one. I can add the design, then I can also adjust the size of the design by pulling on the end, and you can see how it looks right there. By the way, you can create designs like these using Kittle.com, or you can also use Canva. And both of these platforms you can use for completely free to create designs. After you have done that, all we'll need to do now, let's go back to Printify, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Save Product. If you would like to add different variant colors, you could tap on Select Variants and you can add different colors. So you have different colors right here that you can choose from. Then you'll tap on Save Products. After selecting Save Products, you can select the mockup images that you would like to use. After selecting the mockup images, you can scroll down and you can preview how they look. Then you'll tap on Save Selection. Then we'll be redirected to this page and you could edit the title if you want. And you can also edit the description and you can also edit the pricing. So for example's sake, if you would like to make more profit than the $9, you could tap on Select All, then tap on Edit Price, and you could type in the price that you would like to sell it for, or you could edit the profit margin. Let's say, for example, I would like to make 50% profit, then I'll tap on Apply. So for that case, I'll be able to make $14.63, and they will be selling for $29.26. All you'll need to do now is tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on Confirm and Save. After doing that, you will give it a few seconds while the product is being pushed to your Shopify store. Once the product has been added on your Shopify store, you can go back into Shopify and you will see the product. And then from there, all you'll need to do is start promoting the product. And when persons purchase the product, Printify will automatically deal with the delivery and customer service. All you need to do is simply drive traffic to the listing and get persons to purchase it. That's all. This is why print on demand has become so popular, as it is one of the best ways. If you are a person that is creative, this is one of the best ways to start making money online. So once they have been uploaded, you can go into Shopify and go over to the top left hand corner and select products, and from there you'll see your product right there.